Hey everyone, it's Nomad Flair here and welcome back to another Kindle hack video. Today's hack will be very useful, especially when handling your Kindle to prevent you from accidentally skipping pages without your knowledge. If you are interested in picking up a Kindle, I'll leave a link down in the description below. The great thing about this is that we don't have to configure any settings, so we can jump into it straight away. So let's start off by opening up a book that we're reading. So when usually holding our Kindle, we tend to hold it like this, which can over time cause hand fatigue, especially if your Kindle model is quite wide. Preferably when not reading the book, or maybe we need to head to the kitchen to grab a drink or coffee, etc. We prefer to be holding the Kindle like this. However, the issue here is that the text is highlighted when doing this. So to prevent this from happening, swipe halfway down the screen and hold, and this will prevent any highlighting. Don't swipe from the top, as this will bring down the navigation bar. All you need to do is swipe midway, then you can lift your finger and place another finger and nothing will happen. You can then resume by tapping to move to the next page. Okay everyone, I hope you found today's video to be somewhat useful. If you did, then I would appreciate if you can subscribe to the channel, like the video and leave a comment below on any video suggestions that you'd like to see on the channel. Until next time everyone, take care.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.